Okay, welcome back, guys. It's been a few weeks since I last updated you. Since then, it's been a rough time. We lost a family member. Yeah, it was just a hard time for all of us, and we just put this on the back burner. When we were ready to go back to work, it's been a really rainy season, and we just couldn't get up here. I mean, it's all just kind of sloppy. And you can't really work in the rain right now. So I'm trying to hurry it up as fast as I can. I'm going to try to get all my plumbing dug today, hopefully put in either today or tomorrow, and then get this lab going so I can build this house. I'm doing all the work today, you guys will see, with the Harbor Freight towable backhoe trencher and my John Deere 3025E. So I'm working hard. I'm trying to do it as inexpensively as I can. Again, we're trying to build this house for under $100,000. That is my goal, and we're trying to do some creative buying at some with used items. There's some discount stores around us, stuff online. We're trying our best. But like, subscribe, join, follow. Maybe it'll inspire you to try to build your own house as well. God bless you guys, and stick around. It's another day. Bye.
So here is the basic layout of the house. This is the house kit that we got online that we're trying to build, and today what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to dig all the plumbing lines, the internal plumbing lines for this. So you see we have several bathrooms that we have to plumb in, and then we have a kitchen way over here we got to plumb in, and we got a little bathroom here. And then we got upstairs, so then we have to make plans for if we ever want to use the top half of this. Now, when we bought our house kit, it was actually cheaper to go bigger than it was to go smaller. So yes, it looks like a large house, but we have free gas, and I'm doing all the work myself to save money. Again, we're trying to build this house for under 100 with just using me, and then some some good buying deals that we have several places around us here that we can buy stuff at discount or used, and we do the best we can. So that's what we're going to be working on. Okay, lessons learned. So I knew this, but I forgot about it until now. When you're trenching, you always want to trench and then work your way backwards. Because what happens when I'm working my way forwards is I've got this nice clean ditch right here, and then what happens is as you're scooping it, it pulls more dirt back, and now I'm just filling in the same ditch I just dug. Now, I don't know, I could have done it better. I knew better, but I got distracted. So I made a mistake. So once again, you guys can learn from my mistakes, but always trench backwards, not going forwards, because nice and neat. I got to redo it all. All right, stay tuned. Well, I got it done. It's not the best job in the world, but I think I did pretty good. I'm not an expert with the towable backhoe or the tractor. I'm just a guy trying to do what I can and get it all done. If you guys like what you see, I'd love to try to help you out any way I can. God bless you guys and have a wonderful day. See you on another day.